Learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see the part 8 and that we'll see exercise 2.4. So you have to find 6 divided by 4 by 5. So whenever there is a division sign, we have seen such type of examples. So this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So the left hand side remains the same. The right hand side, because this is division, it will become multiplication. Since we have done this to multiplication, this is going to get flip over. So that is going to be 5 by 4. So now we will simplify it. So that will be 20. Same here. This will be multiplication. This will get flip over 6 by 5. So here we cannot simplify. So we'll write here 84 by 5, which is the improper one. So when you divide it, we get 16 integer 4 by 5. Here, first thing, because this is a mixed one, we'll make it to improper. In the next stage, we will change the sign. So this gets flip over because we are changing the sign here. So that will be 5 by 11. So that will be 20 by 11. So this is improper. So you will make it to mix. That will be 1 integer 9 by 11. Here the same, because now this is mixed, we'll make it to improper. So this is going to be 45 plus 4. That will be 49 by 9. So here will be multiplication. So this will get flip over 9 by 49. So here will be 108 divided by 49. So this is the improper one. So we'll divide it. So this will be a mixed fraction, 2 integers 10 by 49. Here again, here what we are seeing here, this was a whole number and this was improper one. So here what we can see, this was the whole number, this was the fraction we can say. So here we can say this is the fraction and this is the whole number. So everything, because here what we have going to see here, the left hand side always remains the same, only the right hand side changes. So many of them get confused. Sometimes they say that here, because this is a whole number, that is not changed, and only because the fraction is changed, so that is not that. So this you have to see that always the left hand side remains the same and the right hand side changes. So you can see here again 4 by 9, because it is on the left, will stay the same. Now this is the additional this step. So here will be 5 means whole number means always the denominator is 1. So if you want, you can write this step or you can skip it. So here will be 4 by 9. Here, because the division will become multiplication, so this will get flip over. So that will be 1 by 5. So here will be 4 divided by 45. So this is the answer. Again here the same, 2 by 15 divided by 8 by 1. So this will be 2 by 15 and this will be multiplied by, this will get flip over. So that will be 1 by 8. So 2 ones are 2 4s are, and this is going to be 1 by 60. So always wherever possible try to simplify it or keep as it is, and later on you can write the final answer. Now see here, this is the mixed one. So make it to improper one. So that is going to be 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. This is an extra step, writing by 4 by 1, because here is, now here will be 7 by 2 multiplied. So this will get flip over. That will be 1 by 4. So this will be 7 by 8. Again here the same, 35 plus 3, that will be 38 by 7. Here will be 14 by 1. So the left hand side stays the same. This will be multiplication. So this will get flip over 1 by 14. So here will be 2 7s are, 2 19s are. So 19 by, this will be 49. You have to find here 2 by 3 divided by here 1 by 6. So this left hand side stays the same. Here will be multiplication. So this will get flip over 6 by 1. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So answer is going to be 4. Again here 3 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. This is the same. Here will be multiplication. So this will get flip over. That will be 4 by 3. So 4 1s are, 4 2s are, and this will be 1 times. So this will be 1 divided by 2. Here is a mixed fraction. Make it to improper. So that will be 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Same. Here we'll change the sign. So this gets flip over. So that will be 5 by 3. So this is going to be 35 by 9. Now this is improper because the numerator is bigger. So when you divide it, you get 3 integers 8 by 9. Again, this will be 9 plus 1, 10 by 3 divided by 5 by 6. So 10 by 3, this will be multiplied and this is going to get flip over 6 by 5. 3 ones are 3 twos are 5 ones are 5 twos are. So this is going to be 4 divided by 1, that is going to be 4. Here, this is going to be 35 plus 1, 36 by 5. This is divided by 9 by 10. So 36 by 5 multiplied by, this will be 10 by 9. 5 ones are 5 twos are 9 ones are 9 fours are. So this will be 8. This is going to be 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. This is the same. Again, this is going to be 30, 30 plus 3, 33 by 5. This stays the same. This will be multiplied. So this gets flip over. That will be 5 by 33. So 11 ones are 11 threes are. So that is going to be 5 by 6. So now we will see here. This will be 28. 28 plus 6, 34 by 7. Divided by, this is going to be 14 plus 3, 17 by 14. So this is the same. This is multiplication. So this will going to get flip over. That will be 14 by 17. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. 17 ones are 17 twos are. Which is going to be 4. Here will be 20 plus 11. That is going to be 31 by 20. This will be 30. 30 plus 1, 31 by 6. This remains the same. This will be multiplied. So this gets flip over. 6 by 31. So here will be this 31 times 1. And this will be 2 threes are and 2 tens are. So the answer is going to be 3 by 10. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.